Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we'll explore the choose function, a powerful tool that helps us select a value from a list of options based on a given index number. It's a great way to simplify decision making in Excel, especially when working with large datasets. By the end of this video, we'll be able to apply the choose function to enhance our Excel productivity. As always, let's start by setting up our Excel worksheet. I've created a simple table with different types of data. We have months listed in cells A2 to A7 and sales figures in cells B2 to B7. Our goal is to use the choose function to dynamically display data based on user input. The choose function in Excel allows us to select one value from a list of values by specifying an index number. The syntax is straightforward as we can see here. Index underscore num is the position number, whereas value 1, value 2 are the list of items from which we want to choose. For example, if we have months in the first 6 cells and we want to choose March, we'd use an index of 3. Let's try a simple example. In cell D2, we'll write the choose function to display a month based on a number input in cell C2 equal to choose into parenthesis C2, comma, into double quotes, January, comma, into double quotes, February, comma, into double quotes, March, comma, into double quotes, April, comma, into double quotes, May, comma, into double quotes, June. Now if we input 3 into cell C2, it will return March, because March is the third value in our list. This is especially useful when we need to pick one value from a predefined set based on a condition. Let's input different numbers into cell C2 to see how the choose function reacts. As we change the value in C2, we can notice that the corresponding month from our list appears in D2. The flexibility of this function makes it ideal for various scenarios, like categorizing data or generating reports. Now let's take things a step further. The choose function can be combined with other functions to make even more dynamic formulas. For example, we can use it with a match function to automatically select a sales figure based on the month. We have sales data in column B corresponding to each month. Let's create a formula that displays the sales figure for a selected month. We'll write the formula in D3 like this, equal to, into parenthesis, match, into parenthesis, C2, comma, A2, colon, A7, comma, 0, comma, B2, comma, B3, comma, B4, comma, B5, comma, B6, comma, B7. Here, we're using the match function to find the position of the month in column A, and then we use choose to return the corresponding sales figure from column B. Now, changing the month in C2 will automatically update the sales figure in D3. Let's see how this works. If we enter February in cell C2, the sales figure for February will show up in D3. We can dynamically change the data as we go. This combination of choose and match gives us a lot of flexibility when dealing with larger datasets. With the choose function, you can make Excel smarter and more efficient by selecting specific values based on an index. This function is a great tool for automating decisions and making dynamic reports. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.